Hi guys, I'm Jay from borntoproduce.com, a Steinberg certified training centre, and if you struggle finishing a track like progressive house from start to finish, then this is the course for you. On this brand new Cubase 10 course, over 25 lessons, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a melodic, immersive, progressive house track completely from start to finish, a professional track just like this. So, using only Cubase stock instruments and plugins, I'm going to lead you right from the start, from setting up the project and making a basic beat, to a fully mixed, professional, melodic track with many tips and tricks that I've learned over the 20 years. You'll learn how to create a catchy riff to go over your interesting chord progression, which itself is brought to life by using different tensions and inversions. Don't worry if you don't know music theory, as we start right from the beginning. And stay tuned to the end of this video if you want to hear the full track that we'll be making together. On this course, and at the same time as learning Cubase 10, you'll also be learning music production, so it's a win-win situation. We'll be covering things like the sampler track, easy effects channels, easy sidechain routing, synthesis in Retrolog, adapting effects and fills, plus a load more. And don't worry if you have an earlier version of Cubase or a lesser version like Elements, as we always include the audio from any synth used, such as Retrolog, and we also include all the Cubase project files, samples, audio, Retrolog presets, and anything else that we think that will be useful to you. So just before I play you the track that we'll be making together if you get the course, I want to stress, guys, that this is a big course with 25 lessons and around 4 hours long. Intermediate level is probably more recommended, however, beginners can follow along too, although we would recommend that you have completed our Ultimate Beginners course first, which is available on our website. So don't forget, guys, learn how to make a full-length, professional, progressive house track with many melodic builds, from absolutely nothing right through to the final mixdown and master, and learn Cubase at the same time. So that's it from me, guys. I'm going to stop waffling on and let you listen to the track you can make if you get the course. And don't forget, we make this together from start to finish. The link is below and you can watch the first 5 lessons for free. All the best. See you later.